there? Ready to dive into the world of Mobile Legends without spending a dime? Awesome! In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to create your very own Mobile Legends account right from your iPhone. Let's not waste any time and get started. First things first, go ahead and open up Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your iPhone. Now, locate and tap on the profile icon. After that, switch to the Account tab. Next up, tap on Moonton account from the options presented. Now, you should see the quick email registration page appear. In the first box, enter your email address. Moving on, in the next two boxes, craft a robust password. Remember, it should be at least 6 characters long and include both uppercase and lowercase letters as well as numbers. Avoid using any special symbols in the password. Once you have set your password, scroll down a bit and choose a cool username for your Moonton account. You can skip this step if you want, but having a username adds to the fun. Now, tap the Submit button. Great! You'll receive an email at the address you provided. Open it up and tap the Activate Now button. And there you have it! Your Mobile Legends account is now created and ready to roll. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a Mobile Legends Bang Bang account straight from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you real soon. And I'll catch you later.